Hello my YouTube friends, this is Now Mechanic here. About a week ago, I replaced the headlights with LED lights on my 2010 Kia Soul, and one of my subscribers brought to my attention that once I was finished, the light was too high, that I needed to make adjustment. And he is absolutely correct. It could be a possibility if you are changing your light to LED lights or any regular lights that you're going to put in your headlights, is a possibility that you're going to have to make adjustment. Have you ever been driving and you have to adjust your mirror because somebody's light from the back is bothering you? That's probably because his light is not adjusted. So what we're going to do today, we are going to adjust these headlights to the proper measurement of what it's supposed to be. But before that, I want you to watch this video of when I finish installing the LED lights on this car, and you're gonna see how high it was. As you saw in the video, you see how high the lights are. They are too high, and that can cause a problem to the driver that's in front of you, because when you're driving, that light can hit his mirror, and the reflection of the light can hit his eyes, and it can cause an accident. So what we are going to be doing, we are going to adjust the lights to the proper side. Now the first thing we got to do is find a surface, a flat surface. Your car has to be in a flat surface. That's one. Number two, the air pressure in your tires must be according to the manufacturer specs. If you don't know what the air pressure should be in your car, you can actually find it in the side door. If you cannot find it in the side door, you can check in the hood, and believe it or not, you can also check the trunk. Now we also have to move the car at least 25 feet. That's the reason why you have the tape measurement. But before I move the car 25 feet, what we're going to do is take some measurements of the light, the vertical and horizontal, and put it in the wall, and then we're going to move the car 25 feet. So now what we want to do is find the optical center, and the optical center is right here. I put a tape there, but the optical center is right here. Now if you cannot find it in your car, what you do is you're going to use the middle where the light is at to take your measurement. So once you find that OC, you're going to take your tape measurement. You're going to take your tape measurement, and you're going to measure right to where the OC is at. And that's about 33 and a half. Right here, right where the OC is at. Let me see if I can get you closer to the OC. It's right in here. If you can see, it's fading out. But that's what we're looking for. That's what we're going to get the measurement from. From there all the way to the bottom. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure from the optical center to this optical center. And I got my little helper with me. Here, mama. Grab it right to it in the middle of the tape. With the, there you go. Leave it there. Leave it there. Keep it straight. Don't bend it. Keep it straight. Come a little bit this way. No, no, no. You're good. You're good. Right there. So we have 49 inches. Thank you, baby. So write that number down. So you have 49 inches there. So keep those two numbers, okay? All those measurements we took, the vertical, the 33 and a half to right here, all I did was put a tape. I measured it from the bottom to here, 33 and a half, and in that side. That's the vertical. Now in the horizontal, what I did was the 49 inches from there to there. These are the measurements that we have from the car. So what we're going to do now is we're going to back up the car to 25 feet. Now our light has to come right here, at least right here, even at 25 feet. So let's see how we do. In this Kia Soul, the light adjuster is right here, and this one takes a Phillips screwdriver. And the reason why I picked the small one is because this box is in the way. And all we're going to do is we're going to put here, and what we're going to do is we're going to adjust it up or down according to the way the light has to be adjusted. Now, as I said earlier, I replaced it with LED lights. This LED light, you can actually rotate this LED light 360 degrees, and you can also do it that way, but it's more involved. With this light adjuster here, we can do a good job also. You have it here, and the other one is right over here. Right here. This is the other one. Very easy to spot. Some other cars may take an Allen key or flathead, but lucky me, it's right in front of here. And what we're going to do is start adjusting these lights. Our goal is to bring those two lights where the tape measurement is at. And I'm going to be starting in the driver's side. So this is how it looks after making the necessary adjustments. As you saw in the beginning of the video, how high it was, and now after making the adjustments, this is how they look. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.